Known for their rebellious nature and fierce loyalty, the Hells Angels have a set of strict rules that every member must abide by. These rules are not just guidelines, but absolutes that govern their lives. Join us as we uncover the 15 shocking rules that you should always obey as a Hells Angels member. Rule number 1, you must be voted in. Becoming a member of the Hells Angels is no easy feat. To even be considered, you must go through a rigorous voting process. Prospective members, known as prospects, must prove their dedication and loyalty to the club. This can take an extended period, sometimes even years. The Hells Angels value quality over quantity and want to ensure that only the most committed individuals are granted membership. Rule number 2, it's not a sisterhood. While women play an important role in the Hells Angels operations, they are not allowed to become full members. Wives or girlfriends of club members are referred to as old ladies and are expected to support their partners in their club activities. Although women are welcome to attend meetings, they do not have voting rights. Joining the Hells Angels requires a commitment from both the member and their partner, as the club comes before anything else. Rule number 3, no law allowed. The Hells Angels have a strict policy against accepting law enforcement officers into their ranks. It's a conflict of interest that goes against the club's principles. While they may clash with the law on various occasions, the Hells Angels do not consider themselves a criminal organization universally. However, they have faced legal scrutiny and raids on their clubhouses, especially in the United States. Rule number 4, always a Hells Angel. Once you become a fully patched member of the Hells Angels, there is no retirement. The club expects lifelong dedication and commitment. When a member passes away, their brothers gather to honor their memory, showcasing the deep bond and brotherhood that exists within the club. While some members may be forced to withdraw due to legal issues, the club considers their loyalty to be forever. Rule number 5, strict dress code. The Hells Angels are renowned for their strict dress code, emphasizing the significance of their distinctive insignia and emblems. These symbols, including their iconic patches and vests, are not merely fashion statements, but serve as powerful representations of their unwavering commitment to the club. Wearing these patches is mandatory for all members, reinforcing their loyalty and unity. By safeguarding their symbols through patents and copyright protection, the Hells Angels maintain exclusivity and prevent unauthorized individuals from donning their iconic imagery. This enforcement not only preserves their unique identity, but also upholds their intimidating reputation. The Hells Angels are adamant about protecting their brand, ensuring that their symbols are worn exclusively by those who have earned the right to display them. Rule number 6, only Harleys are permitted. The Hells Angels have a long-standing tradition of riding Harley-Davidson motorcycles. Owning a Harley is a prerequisite for membership. The club's loyalty to the brand and their preference for these bikes has been ingrained in their culture since their formation. The unmistakable roar of a Harley-Davidson engine is a symbol of their brotherhood. Rule number 7, if one member gets pulled over, all members pull over. Unity is a core value in the Hells Angels. When one member is stopped by law enforcement, it is expected that all members present will also pull over. This show of solidarity can be intimidating for officers and serves as a reminder that the Hells Angels protect their own. Rule number 8, don't do drugs. Contrary to popular belief, the Hells Angels maintain a zero-tolerance policy when it comes to drug use or distribution. Although their reputation may suggest otherwise, they do not engage extensively in the drug trade compared to the other motorcycle gangs. Any member caught using or selling drugs will be immediately expelled from the club. Rule number 9, don't talk to the press. Maintaining a code of silence when it comes to the media is an essential rule within the Hells Angels. Members are strictly prohibited from speaking with journalists or engaging in any form of communication with the press. This practice serves to protect the integrity and reputation of the club. By refraining from interactions with the media, the Hells Angels aim to prevent the distortion or misinterpretation of their words and actions. They understand the potential for sensationalism and biased reporting that can often occur in the media. Consequently, they choose to keep their affairs private, limiting access to information about the inner workings of the organization. Rule number 10. Be nice. Despite their tough exterior, the Hells Angels emphasize respect and love among their members. While they may be viewed as troublemakers, they participate in charitable activities and have a zero-tolerance policy for violence against women. Respect and kindness are values that every Hells Angels member should uphold. Rule number 11. The Code of Silence is mandatory. In Hells Angels meetings, discussions of criminal activities are strictly avoided. Members are expected to maintain a code of silence regarding any illegal actions taken by themselves or other members. This is to protect the club's security and reputation. The Hells Angels believe that law enforcement often targets the entire organization rather than individual members, making secrecy essential. Rule number 12. Don't join another club or gang. One of the fundamental rules within the Hells Angels is the absolute prohibition of joining another motorcycle club or gang. Loyalty to the Hells Angels and their brotherhood is of utmost importance, and any affiliation with another group is considered a betrayal of their commitment. By enforcing this rule, the Hells Angels ensure that their members prioritize their loyalty and dedication solely to the club. It's a way to maintain unity, solidarity, and a strong sense of identity within the organization. This rule extends not only to rival motorcycle clubs, but also to other groups or organizations that may conflict with the Hells Angels' interests or values. It reinforces the notion that once you become a member of the Hells Angels, your allegiance lies solely with the club and its brotherhood. Moreover, this rule serves as a safeguard against potential conflicts of interest or divided loyalties that may arise from joining multiple clubs or gangs. It ensures that members fully commit themselves to the Hells Angels and fosters a sense of trust and reliability within the organization. Rule number 13. Thousands of miles to go. For Hells Angels members, riding motorcycles is not just a hobby, but an integral part of their identity. They embrace the freedom and camaraderie that comes with hitting the open road on their bikes. As a testament to their dedication, they cover approximately 12,000 miles collectively each year. The miles they travel serve multiple purposes. Firstly, it allows members to bond and strengthen their brotherhood, creating lasting connections with their fellow riders. The shared experience of riding together creates a sense of unity and solidarity within the club. Secondly, these journeys symbolize the adventurous spirit and unwavering commitment of Hells Angels members. Riding a motorcycle requires skill, focus, and a deep appreciation for the thrill of the ride. By embarking on these extensive journeys, members demonstrate their commitment to the lifestyle and values of the club. Furthermore, maintaining their motorcycles in excellent condition is of utmost importance. Each member is expected to ensure their bike is well maintained and ready for the road. This responsibility reinforces their dedication to the club and showcases their commitment to the Hells Angels traditions. Rule number 14. Secrecy and silence. Secrecy is paramount within the Hells Angels. Members are forbidden from revealing any information about other members or the club's activities to outsiders. This rule ensures the protection and security of the organization, shielding it from potential threats. Rule number 15. Rule breaking carries consequences. Breaking any of the Hells Angels rules has severe consequences. Violators may have their membership terminated, tattoos removed, or face expulsion from the club. The severity of the punishment depends on the specific rule broken and the extent of the violation. And there you have it, 15 shocking rules that every Hells Angels member must obey. The Hells Angels Code of Conduct may be harsh, but it is these very rules that have allowed the club to maintain its power and mystique throughout the years.